So earlier today, I finished the second day of just a little quick search for mammal bones in Pitt County, North Carolina, and this was the result of checking an area, just doing a drive-by check to see how the water was in the creek, and I came up on some really nice mammal bones. So that's what this video is about. It's a follow-up on those 2 days. Now the reason I did 2 days is the first day I came across the mammal bones, and it was a bunch of them. You can see them mostly right here. There's only like 4 pieces, I think, that didn't come from that first day. And because of what I found, I decided that I wanted to go back and walk through the creek to see if I could find maybe a vertebra or something upstream. And I didn't have luck on that. I've only found a few, actually 4 more bones that were not very far upstream from where I found the big ones. But I said that these were whale bones, and you can see, I mean, this is a huge chunk of bone. This is a huge chunk of bone. This is much more dense than this one. And whale bones are known not to, they're not as dense as the bones from a dugong, which is like a extinct manatee or sea cow, or however the vernacular is that you know of the animal. And a lot of this is very dense. So I begin to wonder if maybe I've got some whale and some dugong, or mostly dugong with a few whale pieces. I just don't know. So it's something I'll have to research on, but I mean, like, this is very, very solid, very dense compared to, say, this. Now, this is heavy, but you can see the pores really well inside that bone. Now, some of these that I know perhaps were ribs, such as this. Again, this is very, very dense as well, very rock-like. You can see it, you know, with the overhead camera here. Same here. I mean, these are very, very dense, very solid. And I was excited about coming into these. Some of them have enough shape, such as this, or the two that have the curve on it here, that I can determine exactly which bones they are. And that's going to give me some stuff to do over the next few weeks as I go through. I've got a couple of books that show, for instance, whale bones, to see if I can match up. And then we've got some whale skeletons at the museum in Raleigh that I can try to compare and visualize what some of this stuff may go to. But yeah, I was really excited. I did mention that I had found some partial ear bones, and for instance, this is a partial that's just it's well worn as well, but that I don't even know how a dugong would have that or not. So this could be whale or dolphin. But in all, this is 22 pounds of mammal bone that I collected in less than, I'd say, 2 hours between the walk in the creek and the first day when I was going through that. I wasn't, the first day I was there actively collecting maybe 30 minutes. So I've got a lot of stuff here. Now, I've got a lot of this stuff anyway, like all of this, these, which are some of the bigger sizes, and these, which also are some bigger sizes, and in total, I've got 42, 43 pounds worth of mammal bones, and I'm collecting it, trying to learn from it. So that's kind of why I'm keeping all of this, to help me identify things better in the future as I learn what I've got as well. So yeah, it was a fun trip. As far as, I took 2 days there. It was exciting that very first day. The second day was more exploration because I just didn't find much. But now I have been up the creek there, and after we get a good rain where there's some more stuff that may erode, I'll go back in there and see if I can find some more stuff to, pair up with things such as this. So, but anyway, yeah, that was the second time, second video for Pitt County. I've actually got a few others for Pitt County as well, because it's not very far from where I live. But yeah, until next time, hey, see you later.